Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the Pop Stickii June Kit. Now, I know I just uploaded a video with the Cute Kit. Stickii offers 3 monthly kits with different themes, and this is the June Pop Kit, and I'll tell you soon why I had to have it. So this month I got the Cute and the Pop one, and I didn't know this would arrive so fast. Otherwise I would have put them both in 2 videos. So yeah, but I also wanted to show you the stamps. I think they're really cute, and I do want to start like junk journaling to use up stuff. So I think this would be really cute to include. So here is the website. I will put a link below as well. Every month the kit comes in this super useful pocket. It feels really nice, feels very high quality. And I showed this already in the other video, but in case you didn't see it, I keep mine in these Filofax. Why is it so hard to say? Binder, and it's really handy to keep them like that. So I didn't get the retro kit this month. It didn't speak to me. You can kind of adjust your subscriptions, and you can like cancel after you see a sneak peek. Or subscribe. So I saw the sneak peek of the retro kit and it just wasn't my thing this month. For July, however, I ordered the Cute Kit and the retro kit because the retro kit is book themed. If you love reading, I highly recommend checking it out because I think it's really great value. But I've only seen sneaks. I haven't seen the full kit. I will show it once I get it. So let's start. Again, we get this little tiny notebook, which is super cute, but I really don't know what I will do with it. I thought maybe to do like a teeny tiny scrapbook because I print my photos for kind of my weekly memory keeping. I print them on the HP Sprocket printer, and they're quite small, so I thought maybe I could like use half a print and use it like this. I don't know. It's very cute, but again, I'm not sure how I will use it. The sticky notes are super cute. They're this like photorealistic bag of bread, and it says grocery list. So really handy. I tend to skip lists, then go to the supermarket, buy a bunch of stuff I need, buy a bunch of stuff I don't need, and then come home and realize I forgot to buy all kinds of stuff that I needed. That's how I roll, and I stick to my stupid habits. So the theme this month is my secret menu, and you get these 2 triangular stickers where you can mark, I guess you could mark like both sides, but yeah. So that's why I had to get the Pop Kit, because it's food themed and I love food. Hopefully it's vegan friendly. We'll see. Ooh, I see meaty things on my pizza. So there's, from what I've seen, there's always like a pack of these flakes. And what are you? You seem very meaty. Well, I guess, you know, my husband eats meat, so ooh, I love this. I love pizza, and I don't eat as much now as I used to because, let's be real, vegan pizza, vegan cheese is not, the one that I can get is not that great, so I'd rather eat other stuff. But this is super cute, and it's again like this photorealistic stuff. I think it's really cute, and you know, we eat pizza, or my family eats pizza regularly, so definitely something I can use. And I think sometimes like these kits are just kind of fun to give you prompts for journaling. So for me, when I'm thinking about like pizza, it does bring up certain memories. Like the best pizza I had that I vividly remember was in Rome, And then I have like other memories that are connected to pizza. What can I say? So yeah, let's put everything back. I really like these pockets. They work very well for me. And now the fun part, the stickers. So, okay, I'll take a quick look so I can keep the really, really, really good stuff for last. And okay, this is like super cute. Okay, so we have these very like Japanese style, it seems to me, like ramen and that sort of thing, which I'm very excited about because I'm hoping, this is not settled, I'm hoping, keep your fingers crossed for me, that I will be going to Tokyo this year. So I kind of saw this and I was like, I better get that just in case. Then there's this, which is like grocery shopping, and I really like this. I think it's like super cute to have these in my weekly kind of documenting. And yeah, I go to the supermarket like almost every day or every 2 days. We have a fridge that is teeny tiny, and so I only buy stuff for like a couple of days. It's pretty common here in Austria. In Israel, I think people go like once a week and, you know, fill their carts. But here you see like people going with little baskets to the grocery store and just buying things for a few days. Definitely more like common to see that here in Austria. So this one has all kinds of like condiments, which I really love. I mean, my kind of like scrappy or crafty style is more of like cutesy, but I just think these are really fun to, I don't know, as I said, they're kind of like prompts to say, you know, I like mayo and my daughter is addicted to ketchup and that sort of thing. So I think it's really, really cute. And now going to my even more favorites. So these are super cute. Let's see, I think the backing is just a little bit distracting. So there, I'll give you a closer look. These are all clear, but this one has like a bit of almost like a vellum like look to it. It's not completely clear. It's like a little bit transparent, like vellum, I would say. Beautiful. This one is completely clear, and this one as well. And this one is again more like that vellum texture. They all seem really high quality. I really love the quality of the stickers in the Stickii kits. So this is just like super cute, you know, cups and plates and salt and pepper shakers, I guess. Super, super cute. I just love to use these, like sprinkle them around my hobonichi, of course. This one I think is adorable. So it has foiling in, I was gonna say, yeah, like some of it is just black and then the other is foiled, and it has like a blue shift to it. I think you can see everything on camera, right? It's like black to blue. And I just love the style of this illustrations. So probably not so keen on the meat, fish, pork icons, but yes, sugar and chocolate, yep. Fruits, absolutely. And then look, the condiments are really sweet, and the milk I can write like oat milk or soy milk or whatever next to it. Super cute. And yeah, I really like these, this font is adorable. And then this one is the best. How gorgeous is this? I think this probably prompted the purchase of this kit. So they call it Sinister Squids. And I mean, really, do we need to say more? These are just gorgeous. I love the colors. Again, these are like more like a vellum sticker, and they're just beautiful. Like the graphics here, the artwork is lovely, and I'm really excited to use these. So I hope you like this kit, and I will be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.